Okay, everybody, this is a video of my RCMK XCR 1200 motor. As you see there, I have on the outerwear, and that's the tool, which is very awesome multi-tool to pull out or help take out the clutch. It was $39 on DDM. What I'm gonna show you here is what I did. I actually used epoxy glue on the side to keep the Velcro on. That's it right there, if you see it. All the way around. You see some of the glue right there that I put on the side. So this way here, when I need to take it off, it doesn't rip off because the glue that's on the Velcro is not that strong. So what I did, took some epoxy, and as you see it there shining, I put all around where the metal and the Velcro meets, and I put it in. So this way it's a very, very tight fit, and the glue is so hard that if I happen to take off the outerwear, it won't rip off the motor itself. Okay guys, as you see here, video number 2 with the RCMK. This is the motor from my XCR 1200. As you see here, I put glue to help it adhere very well, very tightly to the motor. So as you see here, you don't have to actually worry about ripping off the Velcro from the motor casing. So I glued it with epoxy, as well as this unit here. Fits very snug, and it's a great idea, so you won't rip it off from the motor or the casing when you take off the outerwear to clean it.